Your unemployment benefits hearing is coming up soon. To help you prepare, here's a list of important questions and answers about the hearing process. The most important thing to do is to confirm that you'll participate in the hearing. You should do this as soon as possible.
What is the process to confirm my phone hearing?
We'll send you a hearing packet that contains the date and time of your phone hearing and instructions about how to confirm that you'll participate. We'll send it to your inbox if you communicate with us electronically. If not, we'll send it to you through regular mail. When you receive the packet, you should immediately follow the instructions inside it to confirm that you'll participate in your scheduled hearing. The instructions detail how to confirm online and how to confirm by phone if you don't have access to a computer.
I filed the appeal. What happens if I don't confirm my hearing at least 24 hours before the hearing?
If you filed the appeal and you don't confirm as instructed, we'll cancel your hearing. If we cancel your hearing, you may or may not be allowed to have a new hearing depending on your reason for failing to confirm. It's definitely in your best interest to confirm the hearing as soon as you receive the hearing packet.
I didn't file the appeal but was notified of a hearing. Do I need to confirm my participation?
If you didn't file the appeal but want to participate in the hearing, call the number to confirm before the hearing starts. If you don't confirm before the hearing, we'll hold the hearing without you.
What if there's an emergency and I need to reschedule?
You must make your very best effort to attend the hearing. Remember, it's a phone hearing and you won't have to leave your home or office to attend. If you have no other option but to reschedule your hearing, you must call the appeals unit right away to explain. Don't wait until the time of the hearing to ask to reschedule. The appeals unit phone number is 801-526-9300. We'll decide if your reason for rescheduling is allowable. If so, we'll reschedule your hearing. If not, we won't reschedule it.
This hearing packet is several pages long. Do I really need to review all of these documents?
Yes, you absolutely should review the entire packet. Besides instructions on how to confirm your hearing, it contains other important information. For example, it lists all the issues that need to be resolved. It also includes the evidence used to make the original benefits decision. This evidence is called exhibits, and there may be several exhibits included in your packet. Exhibit numbers are shown at the bottom of each page. Remember to keep scrolling down in the electronic version of the packet until you see the actual exhibits so that you can review them. Review all of the information in the packet carefully and be sure it is available at your hearing.
Can I represent myself at the phone hearing, or do I need a lawyer?
The hearing process is designed for you to represent yourself without the need for a lawyer. Most people represent themselves. However, you may choose to have a lawyer or another person represent you at the hearing. Remember, it's your responsibility to find a representative. And it's also your responsibility to pay for their services.
Can I call witnesses to testify at my hearing?
Yes, you can. Your witnesses should have direct knowledge of the issues about which they testify. The judge will decide which witnesses will be allowed to testify, and be sure your witnesses are available until the hearing is over.
Can I send additional information to be considered at my phone hearing?
Yes, you may send additional information to be considered at the hearing. The judge will decide whether it will be allowed as evidence. Please carefully review your entire hearing packet first to verify that the information isn't already included there. Keep in mind that you must provide the information at least 3 days before the hearing, and you must send it to the appeals unit and the opposing party if there is one.
What will happen at my phone hearing?
If you followed the instructions in the hearing packet and confirmed your hearing, the judge will contact you by phone on the scheduled date and time. The judge will outline the hearing process and explain the issues scheduled for discussion. They'll hear testimony from witnesses under oath. You or your representative, if you choose to have one, may question any witnesses. Remember, even though it doesn't take place in a courtroom, it is still a real hearing and is legally binding.
How will I know what your decision is?
We realize that you'll want to receive our decision as soon as possible. We'll send you a written decision within 2 weeks of your hearing.
What if I don't agree with your decision?
If you don't agree with our decision, follow the directions in the decision letter to take further action. We wish you the best of luck at your hearing and hope this video has answered your most important questions. Remember, this video does not cover everything about the hearing or the appeals process. For more information, please consult the guide to the unemployment appeals process located on jobs.utah.gov/appeals.